We have now completed the foundations and wall sections of the pricing sheet, but at the moment they are solid walls with no windows or doors. This is where we enter this information. First, choose the types of windows, whether plastic, softwood, hardwood, or purpose-made. You can choose from the window sizes that are brought in from the central library, or type in your own custom measurements. I will enter some window frames, and 2 larger window frames of this size here. These will be in the main wall section, which is the ground floor, for the house I am pricing. The house also has 9 windows to the upper floor, so I'll enter these here, and select the section of walls for these windows. Remember when I entered the wall measurements that are called the upper floor section of walls, first floor? Well, I can now select this in the drop-down menu. The programme then knows which windows go in which sections of wall. For the door frames, I'll enter 1 double sideline for the front door. The house will have large patio doors, so I'll enter 1 here. As mentioned, you can select the sizes that are brought in from the library, or enter your own sizes here. The house has 2 sets of French doors. They are larger than the ones available in the drop-down box, so I'll enter my own sizes here. There are options for garage doors and also for dummy frames, which may be required if you are fitting plastic windows. As I mentioned earlier, the wall calculations have worked out all the bricks, blocks, sand, cement, insulation, bed mix, wall ties, and further down this sheet, even the plastering and decorating of the walls. Now that we've entered the window and door areas, EasyPrice Pro does many calculations that save you a huge amount of time. It deducts all of the materials for these areas in the walls, along with labour costs. You may have some walls rendered and others with face brickwork. This is why the programme lets you select which sections of wall the window areas will be in, so that it knows what materials to deduct. It then automatically adds in other items that will be needed, like lintels, window boards, cavity closers, glass, even the silicone for ceiling windows and the painting, plus the corner plaster beads for the reveals, and a lot more. By entering in these windows, the programme instantly makes around 450 calculations. EasyPrice Pro thinks of absolutely everything for you, so nothing is left out. The glazing section is all completed for you. You can change the default options for the glazing if required, for example, the percentage of glass. The lintel section is all completed for the windows and external door frames. You can change the default bearing size if required. As the programme does not yet know what internal doors are required, I'll enter the lintels for them. The house has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 load-bearing lintels, and 1, 2, 3 non-load-bearing. I'll enter these numbers here. There are options here for concrete sills, steel, or timber beams and so on. I'll enter a 3 metre steel beam here and 2 padstones for this.